Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to copy your TikTok link and share it for both your video and your profile. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in. And for instance, if this was your video and you wanted to copy the link and share it, just go to the arrow on the right-hand side of the screen. And right there on the left-hand side of this tab that opens up, you can see copy link. It's sort of a light purple. You can press copy link, and then it will say link is copied. You can go ahead and paste that and share it wherever you would like. To find your videos, all you have to do is click on me in the bottom right-hand corner. And then right underneath your profile, it has those 6 little lines there on the left-hand side. You just click them. I don't have any videos right here on this account. It is just my demo account, but that's where you can find your videos. Now, if you'd like to share your link and copy your link for your profile from this page, all you have to do is go to the 3-dot menu in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on that 3-dot menu. And then go down underneath the first heading, the very last selection, it says Share Profile. Go ahead and click on Share Profile. And here you have a very similar screen. Look for the same icon that says Copy Link. Press Copy Link. And now your link is copied and it will direct anybody you like to your profile. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope it helped you out. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and have an awesome day. Take care.